Tired of your System.io operations throwing errors because of missing payment information? Let's fix that. First, understand that System.io, by itself, doesn't directly handle payments. It's designed for file system operations, not financial transactions. To integrate payments, you'll need to incorporate a separate payment gateway, such as Stripe, PayPal, or Braintree, alongside your System.io code. These handle the secure processing of financial data. You'll initialize the payment gateway within your application's code. This typically involves setting up API keys and configuring payment parameters. When a user wants to make a purchase, the payment gateway will securely process their card details. This information is never directly stored in or handled by System.io. After successful payment processing by the gateway, you can then use System.io to write transaction details, order ID, amount, timestamp to a file for logging or reporting purposes. Critically, no sensitive payment information is saved. Ensure that all payment-related operations occur through a secure HTTPS connection and that you adhere to PCI DSS compliance standards to protect sensitive financial data. Remember never to store raw credit card data in your files. By integrating a payment gateway with System.io for transaction logging, you can build a secure and efficient payment system.